Hey, Dana here, and welcome to the vlog. And now that you found me, don't forget to subscribe, because there's no telling what I'm going to be talking about in the future, what projects that I'll be working on. So do that, and then you're already subscribed, and eventually down the road, if my content isn't for you, you can always unsubscribe. No problem. So, welcome. And today I'm just going to discuss the YouTube's Partner Program. And that is signing up for AdSense, which means when you put a video up, you make money on it when the YouTube system puts advertisements on your videos. Well, catch is, now, when I first started, it didn't matter. All you had to do is put up a video, sign up for AdSense, and you start making money. It didn't matter how many videos you had out. It didn't matter how many watch time minutes you had, or how many subscribers you had. Well, unfortunately, over the period of time, a lot of people abused it. And YouTube says, that's it, we need to filter out the riffraff when it comes to videos and stuff. And we need to crack down on language. We need to crack down on roughhousing and stuff of that nature in the videos. So after that point, what they did is they said, well, all creators must have 1,000, at least 1,000 subscribers. That was number one. Two, you have to have at least 4,000 watch hours within a 12-month period. And that qualifies you to become a partner. Before all that, you're just going to be working your butt off to get your videos up, getting good content, and bringing subscribers and friends, I call them friends, you're my friend now, into your video or your journeys. Well, when that happened, that was February 20th, 2018. It is now the end of August 2018. I had 900, 910, I had 800 subscribers when that went down. And I had more than 4,000 watch minutes. That wasn't the problem. It was the subscribers. So I decided, well, do I want to quit making my videos, or do I want to continue making my videos and keep moving forward? Even though I wasn't, not making any money, but you're really not in it to make money, but then again, you might be. When you start making the money, you miss it when it's gone. So with that said, I qualified back up in the end of June, around the 20th. I qualified right around the 20th of June. So I went February, March, April, May, and June before I got qualified again. Because once you get to the point, they still have to approve you. Once you reach your 1,000 and your hours, they still have to approve you. So I found that I was approved on the 21st of June. I was ecstatic, you know. Well, at that point, when you start, before they will pay you, you have to make $100. They pay out in $100 increments. So that went down the 20th of June, and I had like 10 days left. Well, of course, I didn't make the $100 by the end of the month of June. So what that does is it transfers over into July. If you reach 100 or accumulate 100 between June and July, you will receive a check the following month, August. So that was held from June. July went by and I made the 100. So now the end of July was that cutoff. So what I made in June and I made in July, I made in August. On the 20th of August, that's when the checks are sent out, or the process to be deposited in your account. The 21st of August, I received my first payment since my last payment in February, which was January's, which is what I made in January for February 21st. So I am now back up, and it's been a long 6 months, because of course that money, you know, I've been receiving that money for a long, you know, couple of years now, and all of a sudden it was part of my budget. Anyway, all I can say is, if you are there, if you're within 200 subscribers, just continue to keep putting your videos up. Even though you'll get your subscribers even if you don't do anything, because you know, they're gonna grow in your because of your content. But don't give up. Keep putting out your content, and keep putting out your content, because down the road it's just gonna magnify and continue to grow. Now, since the 200, since February 20th, when I was 800, I am now 10 subscribers short of 1,400. So as you can see, I'm growing. You know, about two subscribers a day. I'm probably losing one a day. Yes, losing a subscriber a day. That's the way it's gonna be. So don't worry about it. They're gonna go. They're gonna come and they're gonna go. So, but you need to make sure you watch your content. Any cussing in there is automatically going to become a flag if you want to make money. You're going to get a gold circle around a money sign, and it's going to say not suitable for most advertisers. Doesn't mean you ain't going to make any money, or you're not going to have an advertiser in there, but it's going to say not suitable for advertisers. Under that, it'll also say review requested. Well, way back, you would get a reply within a couple weeks or a couple days. They've now changed that. If you get one of those and you review a request, they're not going to look at that until you've had 1,000 views on that video. So before, it didn't take long to come back and review it, and most of the time it would click right back up to your green money sign. Well, not anymore. You have to have at least 1,000 views on that video before they will look at it for a review. So keep that in mind. If you get one of those, what I recommend that you do is go back through that video and find out what's in there that you feel is not suitable. Whether you cussed, whether you I mean, I'm not going to say anything because the D word, the S word, definitely the F word, the G word, any of those, that's going to come up as a flag. I'll guarantee it. So don't do it. If you did do it, go back in it, mute it. Okay? Just mute it out. You'll be fine. But you won't know until you go ahead and upload the first one. So that's what I did on that last one. But just keep in mind, if you get a gold get a gold circle around your money sign, and it says not suitable for most advertisers, request a review. You're not going to get a review until you get 1,000 viewers or 1,000 views on that video. So anyway, and basically that's it for this video, for this vlog. All I can say is, watch your language, keep putting up content, move content around, put your description, put a sort of an explanation of what the video is, and there are other ways of doing that. Watch the different creator videos that they've put up now, and and I did watch one of those creator videos, and I thought about it way back. When you do a title, leave that title. Go back in and then send the video up again with a different title. Shorten it a little bit, change something in it, and then put it up. Because what's going to happen is the title is going to be sent in through Google, and some people may be looking for this wording in your title, and that'll get picked up. In your other video, some people may be looking for this in the title on the other video. So it's going to bring, yes, you're going to have 2, maybe 3 videos of the same video, but they're going to be titled different, and they're going to be picked up differently. So I've been kind of experimenting with that. One brought up 30 videos, the other 30 views, and the other one brought up 12 views, just because of the difference in the titles. So keep that in mind. So I don't want to make this any longer than it has to be. So, all right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and definitely comment. We'll catch you on the next Dana Crosby's vlog.